guys, this is Follow Your Dream. I'm Cindy Lopez. I recorded outside because you see the weather is storm outside right now. That's why I recorded right now and change the weather right now. And you can see outside sorry. I recorded right. Let me see again. Record a little bit better outside. It's dark right now. You can see outside is dark. It's really more dark than usual. There we go. You can see outside dark. Oh, this way. It was better. Record so you can see outside is turned light outside, and that's the reason it's turned. This is the second video I made last time, and I don't know you can see that. Yeah, guys, sorry for not recording. I need a favor for you guys. This weekend I'm being stressed out a lot. One, we cannot receive completed child support, all the money child support. Now, not that's enough for 2 kids. Second one is the job I'm in the same outside studio. It's a place you're going to make it hard work. We have different resort. Sorry for that. I need to you comment below. Anyone's know me, you see this video, come to the outside minister or studio and go in there. They told me what make it hard work is not that's enough hard work to put on the wall. Hassan started in the beginning. Poor people when process when they started at the beginning has to be better and better. Now I am that, and then I introduce my paintings to them that they say no, that's it's not good enough. I showed one of the paintings. He told me sell for $5. I passed 6 years in the outside studio for a long time ago. I give me all my strength, my skill, English and Spanish. I hope a lot of people, I'm Christian, I come to the church. I do a lot of stuff, and this place, put yourself down. What they know, are you good for God? I'm good enough for God, not for this place. And now I'm coming to this place, but I'm not gonna show nobody my art anymore in this place. I'm gonna show you God, because I'm good enough for God, not for this place. This place put the people settle down, really down, and put a whole feet in your head and not letting you grow God. But I'm making this video show you outside and the colors outside and the weather. Now we play a Levy, a new peoples, and I have to check it out Monday, maybe Tuesday. But comment below, guys. Why in your job somebody put yourself down, making you that you're not good enough to do a style? I'm gonna show you outside the weather because it's torn out. You can see outside. Now I can record it better. You can see it's so dark. You can see anything. Let me see I can put a light and help you better. A light is not working. But you can see outside so dark you can see anything. With the lining and the light. So dark right now. I can see outside. Oh, I think you saw that. Only the lining. The lining that you can see outside. It's gonna start raining outside. Sorry for trying to put my light and my phone. I'm gonna take these off and try it again. It's not working my light. Okay. Try to see my phone can charge you. No, it's not gonna work. But you can see outside the left. Try to see the lining thing. Yeah. Sorry for not recording. I'm being upset and stressed out. Try to find a new job. Try to provide to my family by sell my hard work, the place. Say I'm not good enough with my artwork in this place. Anyone wanna buy hard from Grand Rapids? I sell a lot of paintings. You're interested? I sell one for 100. I have painting $75, $45. Most the small one is $10 or $5. And I try to provide to my family and try to prove myself I can depend myself and depend on God to show me the way and then to show me I'm good enough for Him and not for this place. This place thing can hold people and do whatever I want solely for the dollar. It's done now. It's a CPM is that so fast. Please comment below if you like these videos. Homie, I need 1,000 subscribers. I need to make 400 video to prove YouTube and then they start homie to a little bit money about this. But I want to stress out. I don't know. You have comment below. You have situation in your house, your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, or anything. Sorry about that. Tell me while you walking or you do it due to somebody comment below and say, oh, you're not good enough, or I don't like that, or comment below, or this video has to be off because you're not doing anything, or your video's boring, wanna know what you do this stuff. I don't care no more. I care about God care about me. God talk about me. What God talks about me, that's I love God more than anything. I do anything for Him. Now I understand God wanted me more for him, depend more on him, put myself in him. I go to my the job I go every time. Gonna sit down, quiet, the same time I come, doing my homework, no chatting about it, and sell outside the building, and I put my style in there no more. Get supplies and start the study, but I'm done with this place. Find other studio can um know about my style, speak English, speak Spanish. Among others, I'm a mom, I'm a sister. I'm going to the church every day. Now I don't have money to go to the church because I have difficult to provide for my family, and I don't have money to buy t-shirt or pants or stuff. Please, I need you share these videos. You like the video, make a comment, put the thumbs up. You like the videos. That's helping out me and my family, especially my kid. Um, but September 9 is gonna be this high price that means more big enough that I can prove this place. That's enough for God and for myself, for my family. Nobody has to put or feed or will talk about me. I'm tired of this place and I'm done with this. But I keep going and prove myself everything. Um, Remember subscribe, put a thumbs up you like the video, maybe a comment below. Press notification every time I make a new video. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Please, you like the video, thumbs up. Please, I need help for you guys to share these videos and let me know what videos you wanna be. I'm gonna make a different videos. Sorry for not recording in the morning, so that you can see outside. I feel bad about that, but I do my best to make videos. I think I'm gonna be sick soon. I don't know when, but prior to that, everything will be okay. See you guys next time.